Here's how you can automatically generate subtitles in Kdenlive with speech-to-text using some language models. First things first, you'll need to download the language models. For this, you can go inside of Settings, down to Configure Kdenlive, and on the sidebar, let's go down to speech-to-text. From here, you have a link to download the speech models. Simply click on it, pick the language and library size that you'd like to use, download it. You can refer to the Kdenlive documentation to know where to place these files, or simply use a custom location. Now from within Kdenlive, you can either go up to the menu bar, go to Project, down to Subtitles, and click on Edit Subtitle Tool. Or alternatively, over the timeline, you have this one button here on the far right, which is the Edit Subtitle Tool. Left click on it, and Kdenlive will open a new track all the way at the top, which is for subtitles. Left click on the track or set a timeline zone, click on the magic wand, and from here you can choose the language model and choose the source you want to use for the subtitles. Then click on proceed, and Kdenlive will generate the subtitles for you. Once it's done, we can click on close. And now to edit your subtitles, simply click on one of the subtitles, which should open the subtitle editor. And you can change the style and look of your subtitles by clicking on this little T here with a drop next to it. Show style options. From here, you can choose a custom font. Choose if you want it bold or italic, custom font size, different color, borders, backdrop, etc. All that's left to do now is to refine the subtitles, check for any errors, and there's even a feature that lets you automatically translate the subtitles. But we'll get into that in a future video. You can click on this playlist over here for more Kdenlive tutorials.